ninth chapter, differentiation. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1B, part 19. Last part completed, substitution method model problems 4 marks completed. Today class very important 4 marks question completed. 4 marks question explained. Here first 7 marks question, 4 marks question completed, but first 7 marks question of today class is if y is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square minus tan inverse of 4x minus 4x cube by 1 minus 6x square plus x power 4. This is x power 4. Then prove that dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. First, you can take y value given that y is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square minus tan inverse of 4x minus 4x cube by 1 minus 6x square plus x power 4. In this problem, you can write put x is equal to tan theta, you can substitute it. X is equal to tan theta, then theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to tan inverse x. You can write x value tan theta, y is equal to tan inverse of x value is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus tan inverse of 3 x value is tan theta minus x value is tan theta will do nothing but tan cube theta whole by 1 minus 3 tan theta was nothing but 1 minus 3 tan square theta minus tan inverse of 4 into x value is tan theta minus 4 into x value is tan theta whole to tan cube theta whole by 1 minus 6 tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. Understood or not, students? Here simply in this function, this term in function in terms of x, in terms of x you can write in place of x tan theta, this function totally converted to in terms of thetas. After that, this value 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta value is tan 2 theta. After that, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta value is tan theta. Similarly, 4 tan theta minus 4 tan cube theta by 1 minus 6 tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta equal to tan 4 theta. These are the formulas of the each term. This is the formula of the tan 2 theta, this is tan 3 theta, this is tan 4 theta. You can write y is equal to tan inverse of tan 2 theta plus tan inverse of tan 3 theta minus tan inverse of tan 4 theta. Here tan inverse get cancelled, tan inverse get cancelled, tan inverse get cancelled. Remaining one, y is equal to 2 theta plus 3 theta minus 4 theta. You can write 5 theta minus 4 theta. 5 theta minus 4 theta, how much? Theta. 5 theta minus 4 theta, how much? Theta. What is the value of theta? What is the value of theta? Theta value is tan inverse x. After that, derivative on both sides with respect to x. You get what? D by dx of y equal to d by dx of tan inverse x. What is the derivative of y? D by dx. D by dx equal to tan inverse x derivative of tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. This is the answer. answer. Correct or not? Check. This is the unexpected 7 marks last year coming to this 7 marks problem. Very easy one. This formulas you get easily coming to the total marks. Problem important 7 marks problem in substitution method. Read that problem. If square root of 1 minus x square plus square root of 1 minus y square is equal to a into x minus y, then prove that dy by dx is equal to square root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. See students, first of all we have to take given that square root of 1 minus x square plus square root of 1 minus y square equal to a into x minus y. In this function you can write put x is equal to sin a. X is equal to you can write sin a and y is equal to you can write sin b. Then a is equal to what students? A is equal to sin inverse x, b is equal to sin inverse y. Understood or not? This is a very important key point of the in this problem. You can write x is equal to sin a, y is equal to sin b, then a is equal to sin inverse x, then b is equal to sin inverse y. Write down here square root of 1 minus x value sin a whole square. Sin a whole square nothing but sin square a plus square root of 1 minus y value sin b. Sin b whole square nothing but sin square b equal to a into x value. What x value? What here? X value is sin a minus y value is sin b. By the first identity of the trigonometry, sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a. Cos a equal to square root of 1 minus sin square a. This square root of 1 minus sin square a we can write cos a. This square root of 1 minus sin square b you can write cos b is equal to a into sin a minus sin b. These two values you can write by using first identity of the trigonometry. After that, cos c plus cos b formula. This is c, this is b. Cos c plus cos b, you know that formula. What is that formula? 2 cos c plus nothing but a plus b by 2 into cos c minus nothing but a minus b by 2. This is the formula. These formulas, see students, in this substitution method you can identify, we can easily understood. First you can read and write trigonometry formulas perfectly. After that you get easily understood in this method. Here cos c plus cos b, 2 cos c plus b nothing but a plus b by 2, cos c minus b nothing a minus b by 2 is equal to a into sin c minus sin d. What is that formula? Sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d, a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. This is the formula. In this formula, 2 get cancelled. Cos of a plus b by 2, cos of a plus b by 2 get cancelled. Remaining what? Remaining cos of a minus b by 2 equal to a into sin of a minus b by 2. Sin of a minus b by 2. After that, this sign goes to left side. That is, this is multiplication, goes to denominator. Cos of a minus b by 2 by sin of a minus b by 2 is equal to, here only a is there. Here angle a minus b by 2 is there. Here also be angle a minus b by 2 is there. Cos by sin you can write cot. Cos by sin you can write cot. Cot of a minus b by 2 is equal to a. Why? Because cos by sin you can write cot. That's why this cot goes to here. A minus b by 2 equal to cot inverse a. This cot goes here. Cot inverse. After that, a minus b is equal to what here? 2 cot inverse a. A minus b equal to 2 cot inverse a. Here you can write a value. What is the value of a? A value is what here? A value is sin inverse x minus b value is sin inverse y is equal to 2 into cot inverse a. After that, derivative on both sides with respect to x. Derivative on both sides with respect to x, you get d by dx of sin inverse x minus d by dx of sin inverse y equal to d by dx of 2 tan inverse A. Understood or not, students? Here this function's derivative separately each function. Here 2 is constant, A is constant. Here A is constant, tan inverse A also be constant. That's why this total constant. What is the derivative of constant function? Constant function derivative is 0. Sin inverse x derivative, you know that. What is the derivative of sin inverse x? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Minus, we know that sin inverse y derivative. 1 by square root of 1 minus y square into derivative of y equal to this total constant function derivative is 0. After that we can write 1 by square root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by square root of 1 minus y square into y derivative dy by dx is equal to 0. You can let this value minus goes to right side, you get plus. After that 1 by square root of 1 minus x square is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus y square equal to dy by dx. You can find here dy by dx. Here dy by dx equal to cross multiply. dy by dx is equal to square root of 1 minus y square by square root of 1 minus x square. Understood or not? Here this multiply. After that here square root, you can write simply 1 square root, that is dy by dx is equal to square root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. Why? Because you can use here square root of a by square root of b formula, that is square root of a by b. This is the correct one or not? Check. dy by dx equals square root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. This is the very important 7 marks question in IB examination. These two problems are very important.